Okay, so how do we find A? To find A, we're going to say D squared minus B times C all over E. And so what's our D square? Our D square is 6. So we now have 6 squared minus B times C is what? 2 times 8. And that is 36 minus 16. Okay, no, let me put here all over E. Our E is 5. And so that's 36 minus 16 all over 5. And that's 20 over 5. And that's equal to what? 4. So how do we find B? Well, the formula for B is going to be equal to D squared minus A times E all over C. Our D squared is 6 squared. Our A is 4 times 5. And our C is 8. So C is 8. So we have 36 minus 20 all over 8. And that's 16 over 8, which is equal to 2. So we can see here that B is equal to what? 2. How do we find C? To get C, the same way, we're going to say D squared minus A times E, I'll put it in brackets, all over B. And that is equal to, our D is 6 squared. It says 6 squared minus, what's A? A is 4. And what's our E? Our E is 5. And our B is 2. So that's 36 minus 20 all over 2. And that's 16 over 2. And that is 8. So we found A, we found B, we found C, we found D. So remaining E. So the question is, how do we find E? So let me send this part of the board. So how do we find E? So E will be equal to the same D squared minus B times C all over A. So our D squared is equal to 6 squared minus what's our B? Our B is 2 and our C is 8. And our A is what? Our A is 4. And so that's 36 minus 16 all over 4. And that's 20 over 4. And that's equal to 5. So this is how we solve the sample. You can use these formulas to attempt the second sample and see if you get the same answer. Thank you.